Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So let's jump right in. Today's video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. They were kind enough to send me over their 13x4 lace front wig in 200% density in the length 22 inches. We're going to get into the hair a little bit, but of course they sent me over some goodies along with the hair. Y'all, this is what the hair looked like straight up out the pack. This unit is so beautiful. Look at the curls, y'all. It is very much giving 200% density for sure. So this unit came with some combs on the inside and of course your elastic band. You can adjust the unit however you want it on your head. This is what the lace looked like. I did try to go in and bleach the knots, but I think I made my mixture too thin and it was seeping through, so my knots didn't get to bleach as much as I wanted it to. But definitely I would suggest bleaching the knots on this unit. But look at the curls though. So beautiful. So let's jump into the install. I'm being lazy today. No ball cap today, y'all. So we're going in with the Got To Be Glued. I'm trying something different other than the freezing spray. And I'm just applying this. I think maybe I apply 1 or 2 layers to my head, to my forehead area. And then I blow dried it a little bit. And so for this video today, instead of like doing the voiceover all the way through the video, I pretty much did the same thing. Wherever I feel like I have to come in and explain something, I will. But for the most part, I'm just let you watch the video, watch my application, and I'll see y'all towards the end of the video.
A tornado flew around my road before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they pour. When I'm thinking about you, oh no. I've been thinking about you, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead?
Alright y'all, so after I was done cutting, it was very giving much harsh, so I was like, I need to figure out how to fix this. So I did decide to go in and pluck it a little bit more to try to get an illusion. At this point I was ready to quit. I was like, I'm not gonna quit, let me push through. So I tried to like finesse it as much as possible to get it done. But I think towards the end of it, it worked out. Trust the process.
No. I've been thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Thinking about you, oh no. I've been thinking about you, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no. I've been thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been how you feel. It told you were my first time, a new feel.
So as I was doing my hair, I was like, I think this hair would look beautiful with like the braids in the front. Unfortunately, I cannot braid, y'all. So I'm like, let me try some flat twists. I used to flat twist my natural hair back in the day, but that clearly didn't work out either because look at this, a mess. So I was like, let me go. I called in some reinforcement and I got my mom to braid my hair. This was the finished product of the hair. She braided it down, so I decided I didn't want it that far down. What I did, I just put an elastic on the end of the hair where I wanted the braid to stop, and then I just decided to take the rest of it out. So this is the finished product, y'all. Funny thing is, I did not get to do the makeup in the final product of this hair because after this video is when I had my son. So in the process of getting this video done, I gave birth to my baby, so a lot of things had to change. So the final look that I had planned for this look, I only got to wear it for a day before I got to film the outro of the video. So this is me like recreating it, so it's not the same obviously as how it was before, but I will definitely, as you saw before, I inserted a clip of the look that I was kind of going for. I did want to come and actually give y'all an outro and say thank you to Tinashe here for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful unit. This unit will forever be in my heart because this is actually the unit that I wore when I gave birth to my son. So I ended up wearing this style. So in my labor and delivery vlog, whenever I decide to post that, you'll see the hairstyle that I was intended for. I was actually rocking it. I just didn't get to film the outro and show y'all like all the pictures and stuff like that. But so I had to just create this little basic look real quick. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below. So definitely check out this unit. The link will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.